Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tuesday, August 11th, 2026 at 13:39, and today we have our Day 2 outlook to look at for tomorrow. So, going into tomorrow's outlook, we have a slight risk tomorrow that encompasses parts of southwestern South Dakota, western Nebraska, parts of northeastern Colorado, and northwestern Kansas. We have another margin of risk that encompasses parts of central Illinois, extreme eastern Missouri, northwestern Kentucky, and southwestern Indiana. We have a marginal risk for tomorrow that encompasses central Michigan, much of Wisconsin, central to southern Minnesota, southern North Dakota, southeastern Montana, eastern Wyoming, much of South Dakota, much of Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, northern Kansas, eastern and northern Missouri, all of Iowa, central to northern Illinois, going into central Indiana, southern Ohio, much of Kentucky, much of Tennessee, northeastern Alabama, northeastern Georgia, much of South Carolina, much of North Carolina, western to central Virginia, and southern to central West Virginia. So we have those areas under a marginal risk for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. We have St. Louis, Springfield, Evansville, Decatur, and Bloomington under the slight, and Detroit, Indianapolis, Charlotte, Nashville, and Atlanta under the marginal. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a 2% tornado risk that encompasses parts of central and southern Illinois, extreme eastern Missouri, and southwestern Indiana. So we have and extreme northwestern Kentucky. So we have those areas under a 2% tornado risk for tomorrow. We have St. Louis, Springfield, Evansville, Decatur, and Terre Haute under the 2%. So we could see an EF0 tornado possible in the 2% area tomorrow. Going into the wind threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% that encompasses southwestern South Dakota, western and central Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, and northwestern Kansas. We also have another 15% that encompasses extreme eastern Missouri, southern and central Illinois, northwestern Kentucky, and southwestern Indiana. We have a 5% that encompasses central Michigan, much of Wisconsin, southern to central Minnesota, southern North Dakota, much of South Dakota, northeastern Montana, eastern Wyoming, northwestern Colorado, northern Kansas, eastern Nebraska, northern to eastern Missouri, all of Iowa, central Illinois, central Indiana, southern Ohio, southern West Virginia, and central West Virginia as well, western and central Virginia, much of Kentucky, much of Tennessee, much of North Carolina, much of South Carolina, northeastern Georgia, and northeastern Alabama. Those areas have a 5% wind risk for tomorrow. We have St. Louis, Springfield, Evansville, Decatur, and Bloomington under the 15%, and Detroit, Indianapolis, Charlotte, Nashville, and Atlanta under the 5%. So for the 15% areas, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible tomorrow. 5% we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible tomorrow, so please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% that encompasses southwestern South Dakota, western and central Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, and northwestern Kansas. We have a 5% that encompasses central Michigan, central Wisconsin, southern and central Minnesota, southern North Dakota, southeastern Montana, much of South Dakota, eastern Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, northern Kansas, eastern Nebraska, much of Iowa, northern and eastern Missouri, much of Illinois, northwestern Kentucky, southwestern Indiana, extreme northwestern Ohio, and parts of northwestern Tennessee. So we have those areas under a 5% wind hail risk for tomorrow. We have North Platte, Scottsbluff, Sterling, and Lexington under the 15%, and Detroit, Indianapolis, Omaha, Minneapolis, and St. Louis under the 5%. So for the 15% area, we could see 1 to 3 inch downward hail possible tomorrow. 5% we could see 1 to 2 inch downward hail possible tomorrow, so please be mindful of that. Going into the summer for tomorrow, it says thunderstorms with severe gusts and hail will be possible Wednesday afternoon and evening across parts of the central and northern high plains. Damaging gusts and isolated hail will also be possible across parts of the Midwest and Ohio Valley. So I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. Excuse me, there's the reset. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. And there's tomorrow's day 2 outlook. So I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Yes, even if you are under a margin of risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope you have a great rest of your day. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I will go over this outlook again tomorrow morning when it becomes day 1. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.